Hello guys, my name is Julio and welcome to our YouTube series on mastering file management with AWS S3 using Spring Boot. In this series, we'll dive into practical and hands-on tutorials where you'll learn how to create, upload, download, delete, rename, and replace files in an S3 bucket using a Spring Boot API. Throughout these videos, we'll give you step-by-step starting from setting up your Spring Boot project and configuring AWS S3 to implementing robust API endpoints for seamless file operations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this series will equip you with the skills and knowledge to efficiently handle file management in your Spring Boot applications using AWS S3. Like an overview, I have for you 7 parts of this small course. Number 1, it's create an AWS account where you can have access to create a user to manage your account. Part 2, it's set up AWS credentials to have access to create buckets from S3 for this course. Number 3, create a Spring Boot project. We will use Spring Boot Initializer. Number 4, configure AWS credentials in Spring Boot. It's important to set or access secret credentials once you are working with your project. Part 5, it's create AWS S3 configuration bean. We'll create a config class with the bean for the S3 service. And finally, the last parts are Number 6, create the S3 service, and number 7, create the controller for exposing the endpoints. Join us on this journey to enhance your Spring Boot skills and leverage the power of AWS S3 for your file storage needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started.